Hi everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. All right, so I got one of my favorite subscriptions today. I love this subscription. Comes in the mail as an envelope, and I tell you, the first time this came, I had no idea what it was. It's my Naughty Knickers. I love this, and you know what? I wish this was around when I was a stay-at-home mom. Because for 10 years, I was a stay-at-home mom. And I tell you, the only time I got a new pair of underwear was Christmas or my birthday when my mother would buy it for me. Because, you know, stay-at-home mom, there's only one salary. Mothers usually tend to put themselves last. And I know I definitely did. I put myself last for many, many, many years. You know, that stopped now. But I wish this was around, because this literally cost me, I'm in Toronto, Canada, for 3 pairs of underwear, $12. That's what it cost me, $12 and change. They have 3 different kinds of subscriptions, you know, all different kinds of sizes. I'm going to get this right. They have the nice package, which is no. There's a naughty package, which is like thongs and, you know, sexy thongs. Then I have the nice package, which is no thongs. And then you can have the sugar and spice package, which mixes it up. It's thongs and, you know, cutesy panties, which I like the cutesy panties. I mean, I do wear thongs sometimes. All depends on the attire that I'm wearing, but my butt too big. That's not true. Your butt can never be too big for a thong, just so you know that. Don't listen to me. But I like comfort. All right, so the first pair are these cute little pink ones. Okay, I got my scissors. I get so excited when this subscription comes because it's something that, you know, you get to wear it. And as women, it's one thing that we don't often go buy for ourselves, which we need, you know. I mean, I know I did when I was younger, girl. I had all the sexy clothes then. But, oh my God, these are so nice. And again, I love the quality. They're such great quality, and I like these. These are going to be so comfortable and cute. And I mean, they're sexy, girl. You know, I like them. Cutesy pootsy. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? Really like them. Yay. Okay, so that's my one pair. The other pair, ooh, and I tell you one thing. You can't have enough white panties in the summertime because, you know, white pants, white skirts, white shorts, never have enough. Oh my God, I love these. Look at the sides and the stitching, and they're just, I mean, the quality is so good. What gorgeous panties. I love these. These are so cute and they're sexy. I like them. And you can never have enough white. They also have, I know they have bras, and I believe they have socks. I think I might try to get a bra, but I'm never, you know, I'm busty, so it's hard to find my size. And so this is my last pair. So 3 panties cost me, honest to God, I think it was, I just looked, $12.14, something like that. And you can get this subscription in the States as well. So it's for Canada and the States. And I believe shipping to the States is $1. Look, love them. These are going to be one of my favorites because I can already tell the comfort that I'm going to feel in these. And again, the quality, such great quality for $12. When's the last time you were able to go walk into a store and get panties for good quality that looks like these for $12? I mean, seriously, I know I can't. You know, you walk into La Senza and you're getting 3 pairs for 20 bucks. But look at that. Isn't that cute? I love the colors. I love the design. That's it, everyone. That's my video. My Naughty Knickers. I'll leave the link down below. It isn't a affiliate link. There's no sign-up bonus for me. Nothing like that. It just goes straight to their website. And let me know what you think. Do you get the Naughty Knickers? $12. You cannot go wrong. Love it. Mwah. Have a great day. Don't forget, I'm going live tomorrow night at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. And, you know, I've tried to make 2 videos in the last 2 days reviewing Butter London and the palette I got from Slay Glam Box. And I totally oh, messed it up with my timing and blah, blah, blah. But this is what I'm going to be, we're going to do this, give this a go on my live tomorrow night, just so you know. You know that little doll kid toy washing machine? Well, we're going to try to wash our beauty blenders in it. I know I've seen it a lot on Instagram and YouTube, and it's taken me, oh my God, I ordered this from Amazon in May, and I just got it a couple of days ago. It comes from China. So we're going to have some fun on my live Friday night, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. And please don't forget about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's still happening. We're almost, you know, I'm not going to say we're almost there, but we're getting there. So please don't forget to share, to like, to comment. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, because then you will not miss a video. And welcome to my family, and I'll see you all on my live tomorrow night. We're gonna have so much fun. Mwah. Bye. Have a great day.